a successful donation at the Good Shepherd Orphanage located at Kaswa of Anko. This goal wouldn't have been achieved without the immense contribution of all of you. On behalf of the General Overseer of GPCI, Reverend Rogers Otibuatin and Mrs. Cynthia Otibuatin, we want to say a very big thank you to all who helped to make it a success. Special thanks goes to Miss Irene Otibuatin, Mr. Samuel Akpendo, Miss Akusia Kayibu Mante, and the wonderful GPCI family for giving out of cheerful hearts. And oh, remember, God loves a cheerful giver. May God answer every heart desire poured out during the donations. It was all joy when these orphans received the items. May God fill your hearts with laughter and unending joy as you have put smiles on the faces of these orphans. We really appreciate your efforts, time, and presence. We love you, and God richly bless you.